Hello, I'm here today with Joel Leonoff, CEO of Optimal Payments. Joel, welcome.
Thank you.
Can you start by just telling us a bit about Optimal Payments?
Sure. We're a global payment service provider with two main products, the first of which is called NETBANX. NETBANX is a product that essentially helps merchants on the internet, online, accept Visa, MasterCard transactions on their websites. We process those transactions. We either approve or decline the submissions, and ultimately do a lot of fraud management and risk management on behalf of the sites that we're processing for. The second product is called NETELLER, which is a stored value prepaid card system where ultimately customers online can deposit funds with over 200 different funding methods around the world, multiple languages and multiple currencies. And once those deposits have been made into the system, they can move money into different websites that accept that currency.
Now, you've just released your 2013 full year results. What were the highlights from that year?
Well, we had a tremendous year. It was really a monumental year as far as growth is concerned. Our EBITDA reached $52.2 million this year, 90% growth year over year from last year. So something that we're quite proud of. On a revenue basis, we increased by about 40% to just over $250 million. So I think financially those are the main highlights, and then a lot of initiatives that we also accomplished during the year. First and foremost is being granted principal membership by Visa, MasterCard in Europe, which means ultimately that we benefit off of interchange and the lowest cost rates for our acquiring business, which is the NetBank business that we just talked about.
What's your position and strategy in the US online gambling market?
Well, prior to 2006, where the laws changed, we were the dominant payment service provider in the sector with quite a significant, very trusted reputation across both the U.S. and the rest of the world. We pulled out of the U.S. in 2006 when the laws changed, and now that certain states are starting to legalize online gaming, Nevada, New Jersey, Delaware for now, and hopefully California and Pennsylvania and other states shortly, we've re-entered the market with our NETELLER prepaid card system and stored value system, and have signed deals with some major players, and are intending to retake our dominant position that we previously had pre-2006.
There was a lot of M&A activity in the payment sector last year, and you've talked about potentially making acquisitions. Is that still part of your strategy, and what are your objectives for this year?
Well, the space is very buoyant. There's been a lot of activity. I think valuations are probably at an all-time high in the payment sector around the world. We've come out and stated as one of our primary objectives that we're going to pursue non-organic growth, which ultimately means some M&A activity. We're looking at a bunch of companies that we think add some strategic value to our business, also adding some revenue and hopefully some good profitability. And we're hoping that we can close a deal before the end of the year.
Well, good luck with that.
Thank you.
If you want any more information, please do visit the Edison website.